time to get a little nifty and shifty with this one. We've got a special guest in the shop today, and I hope it inspires you to get out there and make some sawdust. Bring somebody in the shop with you and inspire them. But this one is a small that you can put on your table at craft fairs and make about $10 off of it, because you need smalls to lure people into your craft booth. And I'm telling you, this little joker is nifty. You can do different designs on them. You can even change them to white for Christmas with a Christmas bow. But I promise you, stick around. It's that easy, and you don't want to miss my special guest. It's going to blow your mind. Here we go. All right, what we're going to do first is we're going to take two little pieces of 2x4s I've got left over, and we're going to cut them down to 13 inches and 10 inches. That's the first thing we're going to do. So let's get to cutting. Keep that camera level today, Michael Lee. We got to get this thing out quick. All right, there's my two lines. Safety, always. All right, there's our two pieces. So we're going to sand that off, of course. Well, it's going to be black, so it'll cover it up. But we're going to take these two pieces, and now we're going to cut the ears on them. And that's simple, too. You can use a jigsaw to do that. Real cheap tool. You can get it at one of your big box stores. You don't have to get a fancy one. You can get a quartered one. But I'll use a jigsaw, and we'll cut the ears out. So let's get over to the other table. All right, guys, what we want to do now is we want to take that board, and we're going to put some lines on it. I've already marked the other side, so I want to show you how to do it anyway. But you're going to end up with something like that when you mark it. And basically, you're going to take that out and leave you two ears. And they don't have to be perfect. Like I said, in other projects, ain't nothing ever perfect, even in life. So we can do that right there. All right? But what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to mark that real quick. As soon as Michael Lee moves this camera down. All right, you're going to take your speed square, mark down 3 inches, and make you a line. Once you've got that 3-inch mark marked from the top down, you're going to draw your line straight across. All right, now we're going to go from corner to the center mark. So we got to find a center mark, which is on a 2x4, 1 3/4 inches. And you can be close. All right, that's our center mark. Now what I want to do is go from corner to the center. And that'll give you that. And like I showed you a while ago, we're going to take that out, and these two pieces right here will be your ears. So let's grab a jigsaw. You can do it with another saw, but to me, a jigsaw is easier. Just keep it flat, flush, so when you get to your point, it stops. Michael Lee, you ain't got it tight, baby. Look at there. All right. What that's going to do for you is that's going to give you your ears. All right. On the shorter one, I tend to make the ears just a little bit shorter, if you can tell that, just a little bit, not much, maybe a 1/2 inch just because it's a smaller kitty cat. But that's our two pieces. So we need to sand them down. I've sanded this one down in the first video. So we're going to sand this one down now. All right, now that we've got our ears cut and everything, what I want to do is router all the way around it except the bottom. And it's going to help me get a little trick that I want to show you when we paint it. So let's get that routed real quick. Back up here, Michael Lee. All right, that's going to give us exactly what we need there. Can you see that router edge right there? You go. Can you see that? That's going to give me a little trick to help me rough edge that with the paint and take some of that paint off because it's sharp. So that's going to be perfect for us. So let's get to painting. Y'all ready? Here we go, baby. Let's roll. All right, guys, let's take this time to remind you about the memberships on the channel. $2.99 for the basic membership. You get free plans. You'll get one free plan or one free SVG file every month. And if you join the Elite program, you get 2 or 3 of those files and plans each month. They're build plans and SVG files for your laser if you ever upgrade to a laser. Also, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Man, the channel's growing. I appreciate it. We finally hit the marks that we need from YouTube. So if you can help a brother out here, I sure do appreciate it. Thumbs up, comment if you've built these cats before or if you got a little trick to make them even better, because I'm carrying them to a show in October to see if we can get rid of them and sell them and make a profit. Don't forget to stay tuned to the end. We've still got something that's going to knock your shoes off. Here we go. Can you see me down here? No, Michael Lee, pull it up a little bit. Can you see me down here? I like getting down here. All right, that's one painted. We're going to paint the other one, and we're going to be good to go, man. And it's real quick after that.
Hey y'all, Michael Lee got fired, so I'm going to show y'all how to use this orbital sander and sand down these cats and make them have a rustic look. So Mr. Mike is teaching me safety first because you don't want this dust in your lungs. And that's what it looks like. So for the eyes, we use these glow-in-the-dark eyeballs. We got 1,000 of them for $5 on Amazon. And you just peel them and stick them. And then we're gonna paint the nose and the little like mouth and whiskers.
Hey, by the way, there'll be a link in the description for you to get those eyeballs. Let's go, Savannah. This is Savannah. She's rocking it. Thank you, girl.
You're welcome. And this is an acrylic paint pen. And then once you're done painting, this is what it's going to turn out like. And if you need help being creative, there's always a girlfriend or a mom. And you can buy the bows at Dollar General, or you can make them yourself. It's up to you. But yeah.
Guys, it's important that you get people, your sons, your daughters, anybody you can get that's young. They don't have woodworking in school anymore, and I wish they did. But we can't let this craft die. So if you can get somebody in there and get them excited about woodworking, that's a huge plus. Thank you, Savannah, for helping me out on this project. It's a great help, and I do appreciate it. I love you, girl. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up the kitty cats. So I want to show you, Savannah was a great help, but she's done a couple of little different designs for me. And you can do these things quick, easy, sell them for 15, 20 bucks, $25 for a set, and you got a lot of money in your pocket. We're going to do a set maybe on the next video of these white with Christmas bows on them, so you can change these things up for the season that you want and have several different ones. But there you go.